Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and use Windsurf AI in your Windows. So I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. First of all, you need to go to any browser, and in the browser you need to search for Windsurf, then press enter, and here you will see this link windsurf.com. So you need to click here and it will take us to this page. So here you can see download for Windows button. So if you are using Linux, then it will show you download for Linux or Mac. Okay, so I'm going to click here download for Windows, and there you can see it started downloading. So Windsurf user setup.exe. So it's around 200 MB, so it will only take a few seconds to download, and there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the downloaded file, then something like this will pop up. So you need to accept the agreement, then click on next, and here it will show you the installation location. So we are going to click on next again, click on next, and here we are going to click here create a desktop icon, then click here next. Then all you need to do is that we need to click on install. So it will start installing Windsurf in our system, and it will take some time. So I will just fast forward the video a little bit. So here you can see our installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, all you need to do is that you need to click on finish and it will launch Windsurf. So there you can see welcome to Windsurf. So we need to click here get started. So the first time you log in, it will tell you to set up your Windsurf. So if you have VS Code installed, you can import the setting from VS Code or cursor. So I'll just keep it the way it is, and I'm going to click here next. Then you can choose the dark theme, light theme, then monokai. So I'll choose the monokai theme and click on next. Right now what you need to do is that we need to sign up or log in. So if you have already a account for Windsurf, then you can directly log in, or you can just click on sign up button. So I'm going to click on sign up. So it will take me to the browser, and here start free trial. So I'm going to skip this for now, and there you can see Windsurf opened over here. So right now here you can see getting started with Windsurf, and here you can see code with cascade. So we're going to select this option code with cascade. Then I'm going to open a folder. So I'll just click here open folder. Then I will just create a folder here. Let's say the folder name will be Windsurf project. So I will just select this folder, then click here select folder, and this folder will open inside Windsurf. So we need to trust the folder, and there you go. So right now here we needed Windsurf chat options. So right now here you can see in order to open the Windsurf chat option, we need to press Ctrl+L. Here you can see code with cascade Ctrl+L. So we're going to press Ctrl+L and it will open the Windsurf chat option. There you can see. So here you can see the code option. You can directly write code, you can ask question, or if you want to generate a plan for your project, you can choose this option plan. And here you can see HWE 1.5. So there is a lot of model over here. So you can choose any model you want. And here you can see cloud, GPT, those will be enabled when you pay for Windsurf. Okay. So I will just choose this on Kimi K2.6, and I will directly just start writing code. So I'll choose the code mode. So I'll just say over here, create me a portfolio website for web development company using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And I'm going to click on this send button. So it will first of all check this folder, then it will start building the project for us. And another thing, that is if you want to use the GPT or cloud code, you need to pay for it. And in order to pay for it, here you can see I am already logged in using this account Windsurf. So if I just click on this, it will take me to this page, and here you can see profile and everything else, every other details, and here you can see the pricing option. If I now click on pricing, so here you can see we have 3 plan, free plan, then we have the pro plan and max plans. So if you want to buy any package, you just need to click on this button and it will take you to the payment page to pay for Windsurf. So here you can see our writing code is complete. So I'm just going to click here accept all. So here you can see our index.html code is complete. So right now it is generating the style.css. So when the writing is complete, you just need to click here accept all, and it will save the code. After that, here you can see we have the index.html. So let me just go to my folder. Let me go to the project folder, which is this one, Windsurf project, and here you can see index.html. So if I just double click on this file, it will open the project over here, and there you can see it created an awesome good looking website, and just for a simple prompt it generated quite nice website. So yeah, this is how you can install and use Windsurf to create any kind of website. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.